A milkman mixed some water with milk to gain 25% by selling the mixture at the cost price. The ratio of water and milk is respectively. Okay. Now, these questions can be easily solved by alligation technique. So, let's assume the cost price of milk be 1 rupee per liter. Now, as per the data, he is selling it at the same price. So, selling price of the mixture will be 1 as well. Okay. Now, the cost price of water we always assume to be 0. The cost price of milk is 1. Now, we cannot write down 1 over here. That is the selling price of mixture. We always need the cost price of the mixture. So, selling price is equal to cost price into multiplying factor. Okay. Now, it is gain of 25%. So, the multiplying factor will be 1 plus the fraction equivalent of 25%, that is 1 by 4. So, selling price is 1 is equal to cost price into 5 by 4. So, the cost price comes as 4 by 5. So, we write down cost price of the mixture as 4 by 5. Now, we cross subtract. So, 0 we can write it down as 0 upon 5. 1 we can write it down as 5 upon 5. So, now cross subtracting, we have 1 upon 5 is to 4 upon 5. 5 gets cancelled out. So, the answer is 1 is to 4. Okay. So, the ratio of water to milk is 1 is to 4. Answer option D. Now, we can get this directly without doing so much of thing directly by a very simple shortcut. So, water to milk ratio will always be the fraction equivalent of the profit percentage. Now remember, this will be applicable only when the milkman is selling it, the mixture at cost price. So water to milk ratio will be the fraction equivalent of 25% in this case, that is 1 by 4. So we can get this directly by this shortcut.